So we found our listing of academic articles. Uh, the top one here is a academic article called Study on Expansion Power Recovery in CO2 Transcritical Cycle. You don't want to be intimidated by the language of these articles. Yes, they're going to be highly technical because they are written by professors in a certain field for professors in a certain field. Nonetheless, you need to find things to quote in these academic articles, both in this class and in your other classes in university. Uh, so you can often find things to quote from these academic articles, even if you don't totally understand what's going on. For in particular, pay attention to the introduction and the conclusion sections, and also the abstract at the beginning, which is a summary of the overall article. So this article was published in Energy Conservation and Management in December 2010. When you are searching using EBSCOhost, I strongly recommend that you click the checkboxes full text and scholarly peer-reviewed journals to limit your search. Um, that is because if you don't click these checkboxes, it will give you listings for academic articles that it can't actually give you, that are not part of our UB subscription. We don't have the best subscription. We only have, I like to use the analogy of Cable Bahamas. Uh, we only have the basic channels. Like when you're on Cable Bahamas, going through the guide, there are a whole bunch of channels that are not part of your package. Uh, yeah, it will give listings for articles that it can't give you. So if you click full text, it will only give you things that it can give you the full text of as a PDF or as a web page. And also click scholarly peer-reviewed journals because to make things complicated, EBSCOhost, in addition to having academic articles, it also has non-academic articles. So you want to make sure that you only get scholarly peer-reviewed articles so that anything that it gives you will be scholarly peer-reviewed articles. Right, so then it will only give you things that it can get. So HTML means web page format, PDF. You're familiar with that. So you clicked on the PDF, and here's what it gives you. Your lovely academic article. You can email it to yourself, or you can save it, put it on your memory stick, or save it to your laptop, and then you can refer to this in your essay. Because as you've seen, using EBSCOhost can be tricky, I encourage students to use also Google Scholar. So it's scholar.google.com. So the good thing about Google Scholar is it's much easier to use, and it will only give you things that are academic sources. However, the important thing to remember is that it will give you a lot of listings for articles that it can't give you the PDF for. Global warming. So here are some academic articles on global warming. See, a lot of times it will say, here, purchase the PDF. I will talk more about that in the next video.